Hey, what's going on, compadre? I've got a very cool email marketing hack for you today. All right. So, this is going to be for people who have problems coming up with ideas for emails. All right. This is going to be for people who don't like to write their emails. They maybe have writer's block. They don't know what to write. And everybody runs into that from time to time. And so email marketing can be daunting for a lot of people. And to be quite honest with you, because it is daunting, people just simply don't do it. People don't go ahead and load up that email in their autoresponder every day and broadcast it out to their list because they just don't know what the hell to send. So I'm going to give you a way that you can get a ton of different ideas for email follow-ups right here in this video. There's two main things that I focus on every single day in my business, and that is lead generation and that is follow-up. All right. If you can get good at lead generation and follow-up, you're going to make a ton of money online. So what I'm going to show you here, it's pretty much a way to get a massive email swipe file. And here's what I do recommend, though. I recommend, these are going to be, I'm going to show you how to get ideas, a ton of different ideas, pretty much an unlimited amount of ideas for emails. But I recommend you get good at injecting your own personality in them. Don't copy and paste them. Use them for ideas. You can use the subject lines for ideas, the body part of the email, the body of the email for ideas. But inject your own personality in there. Let your audience know who you are, because the more your audience knows, likes, and trusts you, the obviously the better chance that you're going to have of them signing up for whatever it is you're promoting, whatever affiliate offer it is you're promoting, especially in the affiliate marketing, make money online industry. All right. People want to get to know who they are buying from. All right. So let me just go ahead and get into it. It's very simple. Here we are in ClickBank and we are in the marketplace. And you can do this for any niche that you choose. All right. Right now I am in but I'll just give you an example. Let's say that just for the sake of this video, let's say you're not in the make money online niche and you're not promoting affiliate offers for people who are looking to build a business online. Well, you can come here into the categories and you can go to any niche that you're currently promoting. So if you're in health and fitness, then you'd go to health and fitness. But for this, we're going to go, I'm assuming that you're an affiliate marketer and you're promoting something that is going to help somebody else build a business online, make money online, something of that nature. All right, so here we're going to go to e-business and e-marketing. And we have all these offers that are going to come up. Now, if you notice right here in these offers, you're going to see affiliate pages for all of these offers. All right, so let's go down here to the Click Well system. This one I've already checked out. And you would just click on the affiliate page. When I click on that, it comes to the affiliate page, and you would sign up to the affiliate page. It's, these affiliate resources are free. So you sign up, and then what's going to happen is you're going to get your affiliate resource page for this offer. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to get resources for this. So this is in the MMO, Make Money Online niche. So whatever it is you're promoting, if it's in the MMO niche, you can model these emails for whatever it is you're promoting. All right. And as I said, I don't recommend just copying and pasting. But this is an awesome resource for ideas. So look at this, guys. 7 emails right here that you can come in, a couple of subject line ideas. And there you go. You've got a swipe that you can then load up into your autoresponder and you can send out to your email list. And you can start obviously getting more eyeballs, more clicks to whatever offer it is you're promoting. I recommend sending out an email every single day if possible, at least 4 to 5 times a week. That way you can stay fresh in your prospects' eyes. You're building that email list, you might as well take advantage of it. All right, so here's some more email swipes for this in the personal development. And you've got right there, guys, already 14 email swipes that you can take and you can deploy instantly and start getting more sales. All right, it's pretty cool, right? Now you can do this with pretty much every single offer here is going to have a affiliate page. And so you can get affiliate resources for all of these different types of offers, and then you can customize them to match whatever it is you're promoting. All right, so hopefully you like that hack. You should never run out of email ideas ever again. You should never have an excuse not to send your email list an email. And with this, if you wanted to, you could even grab these swipes and you could put in a autoresponder sequence for 365 days if you want. You could have an email going out every single day. Every single day you could come in, find an email, load it up in your autoresponder, have it going out a day afterwards. And so you have a email follow-up sequence that goes out consistently, even though you're not having to do the work. All right, so hope you like this little hack, guys. If you want to see my #1 offer, if you want to see what I'm promoting, it's none of these right here on ClickBank. That is for sure. It's called the Rapid Profit Machine. And in the first 30 days of promoting the Rapid Profit Machine, over $3,300 in recurring monthly commissions. And I'm on pace to turn this into a 6-figure yearly income within 6 months. I'm about month 2 right now, so I'm on track to be making at least 6 figures per year with this one income stream. Now, there's lots of different income streams built into it, but when you click the link in the description, you're going to be brought to a page that looks, you're eventually going to get to a page that looks like this. First, you're going to jump on my newsletter. Then you'll get to a page that looks like this. I'm going to do a complete overview of the Rapid Profit Machine, and you're going to see how I was able to build that recurring income so fast. And when you plug into the RPM, you're already going to get emails and all that kind of stuff, but you're also going to be able to continue to use the little hack that I just showed you to send as many emails as you'd like going forward in the future. So I do recommend that, guys. I do recommend jumping on my newsletter and getting to this page and going over this review about the Rapid Profit Machine. There isn't a day that goes by that I don't increase my recurring monthly income with this system. So it's pretty awesome. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is it. If you want a surefire way to get emails every single day that you can send out to your list, this email marketing hack is for you. Once again, you just want to go to the marketplace, go to your niche, go to these different offers. Then you can see go to their affiliate page. You can go to their affiliate resources, and that is where you will find a ton of swipes that you can model. Don't copy them, model them, and you can send out, you can use them for whatever it is that you're promoting. You just have to adapt the emails to obviously make sense with whatever it is you're promoting. That's it, guys. Peace.